Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel.
Are you eagerly waiting to answer today's Amazon quiz for 21st May 2021 and also willing to know whether you won or not by answering all these questions? Rupees 25,000 Amazon pay balance. Now here I am going to start today's Amazon quiz. Now here Amazon page is open now. I am again opening the home page. From there to programs and features. Again in programs and features I am going to open Fun Zone. There we can find Amazon quiz. So here Fun Zone page opened, win prizes every day, and the today's quiz also placed on the top. Here quiz time, answer and win rupees 25,000 play now. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. So I'm going to start by clicking on play now button here. So here one more page opened, Fun Zone, quiz time, daily quiz time, answer all 6 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 6 questions correctly. So those who answer 6 questions correctly, there is a chance to win 25,000 Amazon pay balance. Now I am clicking on start button to start today's quiz. Here first day quiz. Which of these phrases can you not use on Alexa? Yesterday, which phrases do you ask on Alexa? But today the question is which of these phrases can you not use on Alexa to go to the spin and win page? So which questions do not ask on Alexa to go to the spin and win page? Spin and win page. Okay, here are some options given. Navigate to spin and win page, roll spin and win page, show spin and win page, open spin and win page. Which one you are guessing? So this is common when we want to give command on Alexa to go in specific phase. We have to ask related some phrase words. Okay, here my guess is roll, spin and win page. Roll, spin and win page. That is second option. I am clicking on that. I think you are also guessing like me only. Let us see whether it is right or wrong. Wow, is right. So if you use roll, spin and win page, that is not used on Alexa to go to spin and win page. Okay, next moving to general questions. The previous the first one is related to Amazon related one. Second to sixth generally you are asked GK questions. So those who are enhancing the skills in GK, now be ready. Which of the following was recently set up by the National Bee Board for easy traceability of the source of honey? I am repeating the question. Which of the following was recently set up by National Bee Board for easy traceability of the source of honey? Here the options are Madhu Suraksha Portal, Madhu Kranti Portal, Madhu Khoj Portal, Madhu Sandhan Portal. So which one you are guessing here? So for tracing easily the source of honey. Recently, the National Bee Board set up something. What is that one? What is that portal? I think Madhu Kranti portal. Second option, I am guessing. So Krantiman revolution. So they are going to bring. They are going to bring some revolution in collecting the honey easily by some government organizations. Okay, Madhu Kranti portal. So let us see whether it is right or wrong. I think you are also guess like me. Okay, second option, Madhu Kranti portal. Okay, that's one more right answer. Okay, Madhu Kranti portal was recently set up by National Bee Board. National Bee Board for easy traceability of the source of honey. Okay, let's moving to third question. Here it is placed. On the occasion of its 100th anniversary, on the occasion of its 100th anniversary, the Royal Australian Air Force announced it would replace the term airmen with water. So, on the occasion of the 100th anniversary, the Royal Australian Air Force they announced to replace a term for using airmen. Instead of that, they kept another one. What is that one? Here some options are airfarers. So is it alternative to airmen or aeronauts or aviators or flyers? Instead of airmen, which they replaced, which were they replaced by the Australian Air Force, the Royal Australian Air Force, on the occasion of its 100th anniversary. So which one you are guessing? Is it airfarers, astronauts, aviators or flyers? So my guess is so airman related, that is aviators only, I think. Okay, I am clicking on the third option. I think you are also guessing same like me. Okay, see whether it is right or wrong. Aviators. Wow, this is also one more right answer. On the occasion of its 100th anniversary, the Royal Australian Air Force announced it would replace the term airmen with aviators. So now they are using aviators instead of airmen. Okay, now moving to next question. In April 2021, Nguyen Xuan Phuc was sworn in as the president of which Asian country? So April 2021, Nguyen Xuan Phuc was sworn in as the president of some. Here are some countries' names are given. Which country he is sworn as the president? Here the options are Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Brunei. So one more time, in April 2021, Nguyen Xuan Phuc was sworn in as the president of which Asian country? Which one you are guessing? So my guess is it is Vietnam, Vietnam, Vietnam. The first one I am guessing. So let us see. Wow, that's right. So this is also right question. So in April 2021, Nguyen Xuan Phuc was sworn as the president of Vietnam, of Asian country. Okay. Now as a common everyday two images. Okay, first image of today's quiz, this item in the Harry Potter stories. So here you can easily guess what is that one. This item in the Harry Potter stories associated with the freeing of which of these characters? Here the options are here. You can see easily. I adjusted the screen. This item in the Harry Potter stories is associated with the freeing of which of these characters? One is Draco, Dobby, Emilia and Margie. So repeating the options: Draco, Dobby, Emila, Margie. So which one you are guessing? This item in the Harry Potter stories is associated with the freeing of which of these characters? So which characters it is? Is it Draco or Dobby or Emila or Margie? Which one you are guessing? So my guess is it is undoubtedly Dobby. Okay, second option. So let us see whether it is right or wrong. I think you are also guessing, those who acquainted or known about the Harry Potter stories. Okay. So this is 100% right. Okay, that's right here displayed. Okay, next moving to the last question of today's quiz. One more image. Now a plumber. What was the original profession of this video game character? Repeating the question. Now a plumber. What was the original profession of this video game character? So what was the original character of this image video game character? Here carpenter, doctor, racer, painter. So now the character is a plumber, and actually what was the original profession of this video game character? See, those who plays video games, they easily answer this question. What are you thinking? So my guess is here undoubtedly the first one, carpenter. Okay, now a plumber. Okay, became plumber now in that video game character. Okay, so I'm clicking on that carpenter. Okay, let us see whether it is right or wrong. I think you also guessed like me. Okay, wow. So keep it up. Came now. So all of 6 out of 6 questions answers right. So well done. So those who complete like me, they are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay 25,000. So those who are anxious to know whether they won or not, they can check on 22nd May 2021. And also keep rocking with these questions and enhance your knowledge in GK, because Amazon posting daily excellent questions. I think everyone learn well and become genius in a GK.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.